Hi, welcome to Schogini Toys. Today what we are going to do is, we are going to add a very simple security system to this house. So if somebody tries to open the door, security alarm will come on. Okay, so if you haven't seen how this house is made, you can watch the video. The link is provided in the description. This is a very simple, in fact, this is the simplest house that you can build. And we have added 2 lights to it. That's all we did. 2 LEDs, one in the front and one inside to light up this house. Now what we are going to do is we will add a buzzer. This buzzer addition is similar to the game project that we did earlier. The link to that also I'll provide in the description. So the buzzer will be something like this. So this is a buzzer. It comes like this. The sticker protective cover you can remove, and it has got one plus mark there, and the pin behind that plus mark is the positive of the battery, plus of the battery. Okay, so this is how it works. So I have a 9-volt battery, and I will connect the 9-volt connector to it so that it is easy for us to connect to the 9-volt. Okay, so that's connected. Now if you connect the plus pin of the buzzer to the red of the battery and negative to the black of the battery, you will see the buzzer making the alarm sound. So now what we need to do is, we need to construct a very simple switch that will get operated when we move the door. So for this, what I have done is, I'll bend a wire like this. Okay, so I'll bend a wire like this, and another wire will be kept something like this. Okay, so can you see this? So one wire. So when the door pushes this wire, connection is broken. So that is a simple switch. That is an exercise that you can do. So instead of spending money on to buy a limit switch, this is a simple switch that you can build like this. When this is pushed, connection is broken. So I have already attached that inside. I will show you. So here, let me switch it off. So here, when the door is open, this connection is touching the other wire. When the door is shut, it moves away from it. That is all there is. Okay, so let's switch it on. Okay, so here is the alarm powered on, already connected. Simple connection, a buzzer connected to the 9-volt battery through this handmade switch. So when I open the door, see, you can see the pin. See that pin, when I push, connection is changing. Okay, in fact, this is the simplest electronic buzzer we can make. Okay, so in the next project, we will see how we can make a sophisticated alarm using infrared sensors. Perfect, that is it. So this is a nice and interesting project which you can easily make at home on your own. You can easily use this as a school science project, or as an exhibit for school science exhibitions. And remember, all the items that I have used for this project are listed in the description. At Schogini Toys, we also make such ready-to-build DIY kits with all the parts required. They're available in Amazon and the link is there in the description. And please do share, comment and like this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Schogini Toys, for more similar fun and interesting videos for your school science projects like this. See you soon with more videos like this which all of us can do. Have fun. Take care. Bye-bye.